Ebi n'ebindi bigambirwa ha mukoro gubiye gutebekanisibwa Brigadier Dr. Charles Kisembo ogubire kugenderera kushoroza sente z'okwombeka kanisa egi hamwe n'ebyo byabasize kuraba mu mirimo ye y'amahe. Ebi byona bitandikiye no kushaba okwebembirwe Bishop w'oburebezi bwa East Rwenzori Diocese Right Reverend George Kuryasingura. Brigadier Charles Kisembo kandi orukuriye itendekero y'abebembezi lya Kyankwanzi nagira ngu agizire okwebundaza kuhango ekyari kugira ngu kimubasise okumuhwera okuhikiriza emirimo ye.
Does not mean that I have to be serious, I have to be kali, I have to be what, so that I can show as my son. The Tanzanian soldiers were here laughing at us and shooting at us. So for me, I think being humble is a tool that has helped me to reach where others have not reached.
Twakwatiraho kandi nyuma yo gukererwa kitu bazima no kugereka cyo kanisa yagwa umwami Ambrose webale munonga omuganda w'okwatera kanisa kakiraho yahika niko kwatera brigade y'abandi kugira ngo bakoreki aisha singa
umugabo ni nyowe ukubekera abahangutse byorobi mbere ntibekanise bahata yagiye miliyoni 2 mwe hata wagira ngo waba vice president vice president miliyoni 2 nzitwarana mimi nanya na miliyoni 5 zacha hasimo ya wabo.
Aha mukoro gu sente z'urukwingana miliyoni 8 na shorozibwe kandi Brigadier Charles Kisembo atiriho miliyoni 7.
Yewe na mkyara wange na family tujya kusibisa miliyoni 7. Miliyoni 7 tuzine cash.
Tonka hata itwemerire nyina masiko kanisa yetu turagishaka. Abantu benshi batwirese kakora kusima umwako guweyire twazana mesente ezatukijya kureba mu kwaye kakushaka.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twin.